Hello, hello. Good morning again. Second day of snow. Ayan o. Nag-ano na naman, nag-i-snow na naman. Ito si Cotton. Gusto na namang lumabas. Ayan. Hello, good morning. He wants to play in the snow. I know.
Lucky you're in the house.
I know, it's too cold. Very cold. You guys are working today?
Yeah, we're just gonna be. I think mostly they're just shoveling the snow right now
Oh.
and putting salt,
Oh, I see.
especially around here because there's a lot of hills. Slippery, right?
Yes.
Hopefully, I'm hoping we can go home early today.
Oh, yeah, it is.
It was snowing bigger flakes 5 minutes ago. Now it's
Yeah. Oh, yesterday is too much, way too
Oh
much.
yeah. I think it's gonna snow like the rest of the week
Oh, really?
till Thursday. That's what I saw online.
Oh my God. Wait, I have to look for cotton.
Well, it's already February, so
Yeah, I know, it's very late, yeah.
we're lucky. I mean, other other
Oh, yeah.
provinces have snow like since October.
Edmonton, Winnipeg, they are too much snow.
But people here, when it snows, they don't know what to do. They think we live in like California or something.
Yeah. Ton, look at my baby. Ton, no. Ton, come here. It's slippery now. Second day. Okay, there's a dog, I guess. Hey, come here, Ton. Ton, come here first. It's kind of slippery now. We parked too far. It's very hard. I have to carry cotton. Oh, they're gonna work today. Oh, even snow.
Sorry?
It's hard. I guess it's hard to go. We'll see. Oh. We have to check our car. What's going on? The pathway here. Oh. It's very cold. It's a hard snow because yesterday it's too much. Oh, okay. Our car parked over there. Let's see. Papa. Ooh. Snow is really hard. Ito ang pinakamahirap pag tumigas ang snow. Masyadong slippery na. Kahit nakaboots ka. You can hear that. Na ang ice ay nadudurog. Oh, I want to get that thing. Okay. Okay naman siya. Kaya lang, look. Too much snow. Full of snow. So, parang yelong buo. Pero ito, malambot-lambot pa. Itong inaapakan ko. Pero, ano na, matigas na rin. Kasi overnight naanuhan na, nag-stay na dito. Ayan. At si Koto ni kalga ko, kaya nahihirapan ako. Pag nadulas kami, dalawa kami. Kasi wala akong leash para sa kanya. Ayaw kasi magpalagay. Kaya kailangan kalgahin ko siya. Ayan. All week ay mag-snow. So, we'll see. Ayan. Yan ang ginagawa nila, oh. Nilagyan ng mga para walang mahulog. Ganyan ka-safe dito pag nagtatrabaho sila. Now you can play inside na lang, ha? Ton. Gato ya, Kuya Boy. Ayan. Where are you? Let's go na, Ton. Let's go. It's cold. Car is okay. So, oh, let's go na. We'll see later. Kapag nag-snow, lalabas uli kami ni Cotton. Dulas na talaga ang kalye dahil sa hard snow. Yellow na siya sa kalye, oh. Dahan-dahan ng takbo ng mga car.
Hey!
Pag naririnig sa vlog, Kuya Boy, ay, Diyos ko, tahol ng tahol.
Bye-bye.
Namo, ayaw namang
Sino ba to? Tayo intindihin.
Oo. Ganyan yan. Ganyan yan.
First, Kuya Boy. Sabi niya, labas ka daw dyan.
Tangan mo, lamig.
Ingat ka at ngayon, ha? Slippery ang talaga daan. Let's go inside na. Let's go inside na. Go inside. Hey, go inside na. Dahan-dahan sa snow. At malamig. Ayan. Dito tayo sa be. Sa hindi sa black ice. Oh, madulas. Madulas, ah. Nakadulasan. Kaya kailangang ingat. Alam mo na. At madulas itong tinitignan ko itong bagong bili kong boots. Kung okay ba siya sa snow. At madulas.
Madulas yan?
Hindi naman, hindi pa. Hindi ko pa nararamdaman. Ay, kailangan naman magpadulas ako. Yung iba nagkadkad. Yung iba hindi. Dapat pala naka-face mask. Dahil pang din sa lamig. May kalamigan. Ayan. Kung makikita nyo, punong-puno ng snow. Mga daanan dito, oh. Ayan. Ang snow. Kawawa naman, eh. Eto, habang naglalakad kami, nag-i-snow kahit paano. Pero, lang, madalang lang ba. Pero malamig. Gulis yung side na yan. Ayan. Lumalakas ang snow. Ayan ang park, oh. Punong-puno ng snow. Grabe. Yeah. Sobrang snow. Magla-lunch tayo sa McDonald's. Ayan. Sa akin, quarter pounder lang. Kasi ayoko noong Big Mac. Messing masyado. Ayan, kay Vilma Nuggets. Rice. That's it. Ayan, bumibili na kami ng pagkain dito, oh. Sarap. Pang dinner. We forgot to celebrate birthday of Bonnie. Yes, we're gonna buy cake for Bonnie's birthday. January 8 is Bonnie's birthday. There, happy birthday, Bonnie. Nakalimutan namin mag-celebrate. Kaya ngayon lang kami nakabili ng cake para sa kanya. Siyempre, love na love namin si Bonnie.